channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So this video is going to be a huge makeup haul from purple.com, and everything that I bought is under rupees 500. So I have these two boxes of only makeup, so I'm really excited to share my haul with you guys. Now when it comes to makeup, I usually don't like to spend a lot of money on expensive makeup products. Rather, I've started investing on expensive skincare products, because if your skin looks great, if your skin feels great, then the makeup would eventually look great on you. Doesn't matter if it's from a high-end brand or if it's from a drugstore brand. By the way guys, I'll not be showing you the regular swatches of the makeup products. Rather, I'll be recreating this makeup look right here. So basically I'm going to do a full face of makeup using all the products that I've bought from Purple. And yes, if you are also on a budget and looking for some really nice and affordable makeup products, then keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. तो guys, मैं आपको उसी ऑर्डर में मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी जिस ऑर्डर में हम लोग अपना मेकअप करते हैं, ताकि मैं साथ साथ अपने इस मेकअप लुक की क्लिप्स भी ऐड करती रहूं basically. So the first thing that I bought is this NY Bae primer. Now I really like this primer. It's a silicone based primer. MRP is 225 rupees for 15 gram of the product. But you know what? मुझे almost सारे ही products पे काफी अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिला है. और अब तो गाइज purple.com की I Heart Beauty सेल भी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. बड़े मस्त ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड दे आर ऑफरिंग अप टू 50% ऑफ. काफी सारी ब्रांड्स पे बहुत ही अमेजिंग ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं. एंड उनकी सेल अभी स्टार्ट हुई है 4th अगस्त को, एंड इट वुड गो टिल 8th अगस्त. सो 4 to 8 अगस्त में अगर आपको कुछ भी मंगवाना है, ऑलरेडी मंगवा लो. अगर आपको इस वीडियो में से कुछ भी मंगवाना होगा तो डोंट वरी, आई विल मेंशन ऑल द प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई बॉट. इट जस्ट मेक्स माय स्किन सो स्मूथ, and it's a silicone based primer, yet it feels really light. Next up, I bought this Stay Quirky liquid foundation. It comes with a pump and it gives sheer to medium coverage. So if you go to college, or अभी तो वैसे नहीं जा रहे college, but whenever you'll start going to the college or your office, you can definitely replace your BB cream with this product because it's so lightweight. A very nice option for everyday use. Now the next thing that I bought is something which is so cute. So I bought this Stay Quirky का you can say a mini concealer. You can see कि कितनी cute इसकी पैकेजिंग है. ये मैंने आई थिंक अपने से 1 या 2 शेड लाइटर मंगवाया था बिकॉज ऑफ ब्राइटनिंग पर्पस. आई वांट टू ब्राइटन माय अंडर आई एरिया. इट जस्ट ग्लाइड्स ऑन सो ब्यूटीफुली, एंड यू गाइस कैन सी कि मेरे अंडर आई कुछ केकी या वैसा कुछ नहीं लग रहे हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई बॉट इज फ्रॉम पर्पल इटसेल्फ. इट्स दैट कॉम्पैक्ट इन द शेड बेज सेल्फ केयर 3. Now this compact has SPF as well. I know it looks like a shade or 2 lighter than my actual skin tone, but don't worry guys. This is almost like a translucent powder which is not that tinted or pigmented. So doesn't really matter अगर मैंने wrong shade order कर दिया है, because as I said, it acts like a translucent powder. Still it does its job perfectly. Again, a very nice and budget friendly option when it comes to setting powders. Next up, I got these 2 single eyeshadows from NY Bae. The colors are so beautiful, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's magnetic, I'm really impressed with the packaging. This is what the product looks like. Now these are not supremely pigmented, but you can definitely build it up according to your liking and your preference. This one is called Carnage Hall or Carnage Hall 23, whereas the purple one is called City Hall 1. For my today's look, I've actually used the purple one, the City Hall 1 shade, and this is what it looks like. I feel it's so beautiful, and it definitely gives the perfect amount of shine. It's not that chamak dhamak, not that chamkila. Alright, next up I bought these 2 eyeliners. Both are from Stay Quirky. The first one is a pen liner, and it's a regular classic black liner. I really enjoy pen liners. मैं अभी काफी टाइम से लिक्विड लाइनर्स यूज कर रही थी, बट नाउ आई एम डेफिनेटली स्विचिंग बैक टू पेन लाइनर बिकॉज अ पेन लाइनर इज माई थिंग. इट्स सो कन्वीनियंट and it's so easy to work with. Now the next liner that I bought is a liquid liner. This is a metallic silver eyeliner, and I just love it. It's so beautiful. You guys can see I'm wearing it right now, and if you've been following me for a while, you would know that I'm a sucker for colored pools and colored liners. And the shade is called Show Them Your Grey Pleasures. Number is 6. And guys, this is not of a regular packaging. It's actually of a ball joint packaging, like this thing now. This thing, it has a ball joint. You can just fix it according to your preference for better application. It's so convenient. आप ऐसे करके या ऐसे करके कैसे भी आपको लाइनर लगाना है आप लगा सकते हो. Next up, I bought this NY Bae का white कोल काजल. मेरा खत्म हो गया था, सो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं NYBay से ट्राई करूँ. इसके रिव्यूज एंड रेटिंग्स काफी अच्छे थे. So this is what it looks like. It has a, you know, it's like a retractable pencil sort of a packaging. This is what the swatch looks like. I really like it. It just glides on so smoothly. Now let's just jump on to my second dabba from Purple.com. So I ordered one blush from Wet n Wild and the shade is called Blazonberry. This is what it looks like. I love this shade. एक तो इसका shade इतना ज़्यादा beautiful है. You guys can see of course. And वैसे भी ना मुझे Wet n Wild के काफी products पसंद है, जैसे eyeshadow, blush. Then I also have a concealer, a highlighter. So I just love Wet n Wild products. एक तो इतने affordable होते हैं, ऊपर से इतनी अच्छी quality होती है. और अभी तो Purple.com पे उनके I Heart Beauty sale में you would get up to 40% off on the Wet n Wild products. So definitely check it out. Now I got few lipsticks. So सबसे पहले मैंने Purple.com की ही ये दो Ultra HD matte lipsticks मंगवाई है. The first shade is called 4am Partner. It's a beautiful nude color. You guys can see कि कितना सुंदर है, like perfect for my skin tone. And the next shade is called Pranks Partner 1. Now this is a very different shade and to be honest, इस टाइप के शेड्स मैं अप्लाई नहीं करती, बट दिस टाइम आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक stepping out of my comfort zone and trying something like this. So this is like a very nice pinkish purplish sort of a lipstick. It's more on the purplish side, but it's so pretty. Now both of these lipsticks are supremely matte, but you know what, it feels so creamy on the lips. Like the formulation is so beautiful. बिल्कुल भी ऐसे लिप्स पे ड्राई फील नहीं होती हैं. Alright, next up I got this liquid matte lipstick from this brand called I Amsterdam. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It's so affordable, you guys. First of all, इसका shade है Alibi 16 and this is what the packaging looks like, the actual packaging. Talking about the shade, guys, this is such a nice corally sort of a color which has some hints of reds, you can say. So I really like it. It's like a very bright shade. So I am little skeptical अगर मैं इसको as it is apply करूंगी या फिर किसी के साथ मिक्स करके अप्लाई करूंगी टू मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर डल, क्योंकि यूजुअली आई डोंट गो फॉर सच ब्राइट लिपस्टिक्स. नाउ दिस वन इज सो पिगमेंटेड यू गाइज एंड इट्स डेफिनेटली ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. काफी ज्यादा मैट लुक देती है लिप्स पे, बट मेक श्योर टू मॉइस्चराइज योर लिप्स वेरी वेल बिफोर अप्लाइंग एनी लिक्विड लिपस्टिक फॉर दैट मैटर, क्योंकि लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स थोड़े बहुत ड्राइंग होते हैं लिप्स पे. नेक्स्ट अप आई गॉट दीज टू नेल पेंट्स फ्रॉम NYBay. नाउ दीज आर वेरी प्रिटी पेस्टल कलर्स. यू गाइज कैन सी दिस वन इज लाइक अ रियली नाइस pastel pink and this one is a very beautiful lavender color. I personally love it. अभी तो मेरे extensions हैं तो I don't need it, but of course when I'll get rid of my extensions I am definitely looking forward to applying these. And you guys can see कि मैंने NYBay से काफी सारे products order किए हैं और अभी तो Purple की I Heart Beauty sale में काफी सारे amazing offers चल रहे हैं NYBay पे, so definitely check them out. And the very last product of this haul is this Dip and Twist nail paint remover by Stay Quirky. This is so convenient, you guys. Like जब से मैंने ये Dip and Twist nail paint removers यूज करने स्टार्ट किए हैं ना, मेरी लाइफ बहुत सॉर्टेड हो गई है. अभी तो ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट नीड इट, बट मतलब मैं ये आई थिंक 3rd या 4th टाइम ले रही हूँ एंड दिस इज सो गुड. तो आई फील अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक Dip and Twist nail paint removers यूज करना स्टार्ट नहीं किए ना, ट्रस्ट मी, तुम्हारा काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. जस्ट एक बार आप ये यूज करना स्टार्ट कर दो एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग बैक टू दोज रेगुलर नेल पेंट रिमूवर्स. So that's all for the haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and also let me know what you guys think about this makeup look that I've created using all these products. If you liked my makeup look, then please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would surely leave all the links for you guys in the description box below. And I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.